Giving you guys a behind the scenes, man. You know, you're part of the brotherhood. You're my brothers. My brothers! What's up guys, Funk Roberts here, and today I've got an 8-minute ab workout, 8 exercises. We're doing each exercise for 40 seconds of work followed by 20 seconds rest, one after the other. This is for my boys and my girls on YouTube. I love you guys, but again, this is my 8-minute ab killer. Here we go, first exercise, V-ups in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. So a dynamic ab exercise, full body. Exhale on the way up. Breathe. Good. Explode. All the way back. Keep going. Core tight. Oh, keep going. Oh, jeez. Oh, what a way to start this off, baby. All right, we're going up to our shoulder touch buzzsaws, okay? So plank shoulder touch, alternate shoulder touch, and then go into a buzzsaw. Deep through your nose, out through your mouth. Get that oxygen in. Up on a plank, shoulder touch, and a slight buzzsaw. 2, back, shoulder, shoulder. Let's do 4, and buzzsaw. Keep that core tight. 3, 4. Try not to rotate. 8. Oh, don't rotate. Oh, buzzsaw. Not like that. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4. Buzzsaw. 1, 2. Oh, wow. Oh, breathe, breathe, breathe. All right, what are we doing? Reverse crunch to hip raise. Oh, so now upper abs, lower abs, upper abs here, hip raise. So reverse crunch, boom, and then hip raise. Reverse crunch first, and then explode. Bring that belly button to your chest. Exhale on the way up. Exhale again. Good. Keep going. Reverse. Got to really focus on a little bit of a pelvic tilt with the reverse crunch. Oh, my goodness. All right, next exercise, side plank, lifts. So we'll start on the right side, left side. So with this exercise, we're actually bringing our hips to the ground, and then we're gonna raise up. How you guys feeling so far? Let's get a side plank, up, all the way down, raise. Down, raise, good. It seems like it's easier, but it's tough. Make sure that elbow and shoulder are right underneath. Shoulders underneath. Elbows underneath the shoulder. Good. You can put this hand anywhere. You can have it up, have it to the side. Oh. Exhale on the way up though. Oh, one more. Oh, other side. There's always one side that's weaker than the other. But for me, this whole exercise is weak. But again, this is what we're doing. We're trying to get stronger. This is actually an actual workout that you're doing with me. I just finished shooting 3 workouts and now I'm ending it off with this ab. So you're doing this with me. All the way down and up. Down and up, good. Really focus on this right here. The bottom, your oblique. It's gonna do that work right here. You feel that? That's what's doing the work. Exhale when you come up. Remember, this elbow and this shoulder should be lined up. Good. Yeah. When you're coming down from the bottom, makes it a little tougher. Yeah. Up. Good. Core tight. Ah. Really explode. Let's go a little bit quicker. Yeah. Oh. All right. We are now at lower legless. So we're back here. Actually, we're gonna, sorry, not lower legless, sorry, my bad. Slow at bicycles. So we're gonna slow it down, baby. We're gonna slow things down. So here, slow. So usually do this quickly, but now we're slowing this down. Rotation. So we just hit the obliques, and now we gotta put them to work again. The other thing is making sure the small of your back is in the ground. Keep going. Exhale every time you kick out. Nice and slow. Keep going. Do not let those heels touch the ground. Good work. I think we got one more, I believe. And that one, I don't even know if we have one more. I've lost count, guys. I totally have. I'm so sorry. We're gonna do high bird dogs. That's what we're doing next. High bird dogs. I lost count. It happens. Here we go. Here. Good. Some core stability, anti-rotation. So right arm, left leg, up, hold, down. Up, hold, down. Up, hold, down. Keep going. You can do this from your knees as well. Hold like this. It's another version. But let's finish off with the full version here. Let's really kill the ab and core. Squeeze the glutes. Core tight. Oh, jeez. One more. Let's do one more. Let's do one more. Let's go with dead bugs. End us off with the dead bug. We did a bird dog. So let's do dead bugs. Again, the most important part of this exercise is get that pelvic tilt right here already. Forces the small of your back in the ground. So really push that small of your back into the ground. Don't move any. Pull the left back, right arm, left leg. Right arm, left leg. Keep the other arm and leg still. Push the low of your back into the ground, the small of your back, the lower part of your back. Oh. Do not bring the heels to the ground. Just bring them so they're almost touching. Exhale when your arms are going back. Good job, guys. Quickly, quickly. Let's get a quick stretch right now. Down. Man, I love you guys. Thank you so much for forcing me to do that 8-minute ab workout. I love you guys so much. You're amazing. Please comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you like that workout. Let's go back into child pose. Please like this, share this, subscribe, click the notification so you guys don't miss any workouts. I'm gonna be posting more workouts more frequently. I don't want you to miss it. I love you guys. And if you're in my brotherhood watching this, get it done. See you in the next workout. Hey guys, Funk Roberts here, and thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure that you like it, you share this, leave your comments below because you know I love to read your comments. And of course, subscribe to this channel, click on the notifications so you do not miss another workout. And if you like that workout, then click the link in this box right here and I'll send you to another workout. Thank you so much. I love you, and I'll see you in the next workout. Get it done.